Well, I'm James Lee. Everybody know me around here as Jimmy Lee. I'm the dry kiln operator. Right here at home, you don't have to worry about traveling or driving 2 or 3 hours. And man, who would want to work somewhere without a cafeteria and a gym? Yeah, you ain't got to run uptown to McDonald's. You can just run right around front and get something to eat.
My name is Lacey Jordan. I'm a floater in face frames. I feel like God brought me here. I've worked a lot of bad jobs and I'm a single mom. It's pretty awesome. It's peaceful, everyone gets along. They think about you, that's very important.